Welcome back, folks, to Onsite with Juan. We're out here in Brookfield taking care of a condo project. We have a little condo complex here. It's a little U-shaped building, and we're actually going to be doing shingle roof on this section. It's 12 pitch everywhere, and then we got a flat roof section we're doing TPO on. As you can see behind me here, we got Richard Supply doing our knuckle boom lift. So the guys are actually roof loading, and they're staging on each of the sections of the flat roof on top to help us out in regards to getting materials up on the roof, distributing the weight properly, and well, as always, folks, stay tuned for more. Juan Vasquez, Phoenix Exteriors, 630-677-7663. Take care. What's going on, everybody? This is Onsite with Juan. We're still out here in Brookfield taking care of our commercial property. So I want to show you a little bit about what we did here. This side over here is considered the north side of the building, and we've completed that for the shingle portion anyway. We still have to work on the flat roof on the top. We're doing a TPO install. But I wanted to show you a little bit about how careful we've been with this property in regards to landscaping protection, cleaning off the decks, taking care of everything as best we can. Take a look. So this entire side of the building here, all the way down to the end of the courtyard there, as we're still working on right now, has been done for the shingle portion, 12 pitch. We have some flat roof on the top we're still taking care of. But one thing I want to do a little bit of a shout out for is my guys in regards to how well they took care of the landscaping here. This property has multiple owners. We have kids, we have pets, we have cats, dogs running around everywhere, and we're doing our best to make sure everything stays as clean and neat and tidy as possible, and also to take care of their landscaping. And as you can see, we are doing an amazing job of it, because right above we have our 12 pitch, and as you can see with the guys over here, material comes down. So as we walk a little further in, sorry about the noise for the compressor over there, but again, same thing with these trees. We're doing everything we can to make sure trees, bushes, landscaping, ground coverage is all protected as best we can. So as you can see over here, we set up our tarps, and we have our material being dropped down, but we also drape down from the top protection. So now we're keeping the deck clean, we're keeping the personal property clean, we're also taking care of the house, we're making sure everything stays as best as we can. That's how we like to do things here at Phoenix Exteriors. So as always, folks, take a look at some of this drone footage we have, a little bit of before and after, a little bit of a glimpse of what we're doing as far as the property. And as always, thanks for watching. Juan Vasquez, Phoenix Exteriors, 630-677-7663. Take care.